Has it changed for the better?
It's definitely changed for the better. Yeah, definitely has. It's so easy to run.
Hi Lee, it's great to meet you.
And you?
Now, I see you're running a VMX60i.
Yeah.
What do you think for the machine?
It's a great machine. Whenever we have any new people in, they find it so easy to actually run the control, the conversational side of things, programming and everything. It's really easy to run.
So how long have you been running Hurco machines?
That's got to be 20 years maybe.
And what do you think the difference is on the control? So you've seen the control change over all them years.
Yeah,
Has it changed for the better?
it's definitely changed for the better. Yeah, definitely has. It's so easy to run.
And what are some of the, on the control, what are some of the best options you found?
That's sort of like the canned cycles are, they're just a quick program. If you've got something that's really a basic sort of program, it's just so fast to get it up and running. So it's great.
And it's great to see you on such a big machine because
Yes.
looking in there as well, you're using this full bed.
Yeah. The bed is, it's been used to the full, yes, yeah. And a bit more sometimes.
Brilliant. It's always the same. It's always the same.
Yeah.
Well, Lee, thank you very much. And I'll let you get back to it. Thank you.